What's up, everybody? Back again. This is Matt, American Mustangs. We got a 1969 Mach 1 H code 351 automatic, factory winter blue, black interior. This is a really cool car because it's 100% original. Every paint panel, all the paint, went around it with a gauge. Super cool car. Love the color. You don't see a lot of the winter blue. That's the original stripe, and the car is actually really solid. Very minor little rust spots. It's snowing here today, so sorry about the snowflakes. The car's got all of its original tags. This is original interior. Nothing's been replaced, not even the carpet. Door jambs are super nice and clean, no rust in the bottom. Car shows 42,000 original miles. It does have a little cracking on the dash pad. Original radio. All the dash is in good rim blow steering wheel, original seat belts. Nice solid door jambs. This car has a fold down rear seat. Rear seat looks like, honestly, it's never really been sat in. No speakers cut. Console. All original seat belts. All original seat belts. This is where the car was sold new. Williams Ford, Marti, Ohio. That's the original sticker. The car has some great patina. It's getting a little water on it now. Get the right trunk key here. Original spare, jack, lug nut wrench, original trunk mat, nice clean trunk jambs. Trap door that has a big cut for speakers, all the original sound deadener, original trunk mat underlayment. Really cool, definitely a survivor car if I've ever seen one. Lower quarters have paint chips, but don't see any rot. Again, nice clean door jambs on this side as well. Interior is really, for original, it's in excellent condition. There's the door jamb on that side. I cleaned these this morning. Here's the Marti. Winter blue Mach 1. Sport deck rear seat, AM radio, power steering, Williams Ford. There's the owner's manual. Original owner's warranty card. This is the sticker that goes on that cardboard. This door panel is also in excellent condition. Door's shut great. Car has great gaps. Again, there's paint flaking. Lower corners of the doors look dry. Factory hood scoop. Blackout hood treatment. There's the engine. This car hasn't ran in like 20, 30 years. It was parked in the garage. Original 351 Windsor. Original carburetor, distributor, radiator, fan shroud. All original. You can still see the factory spot welds on tops of all the aprons. Super clean frame rails. Still has the book tag on it. There's some paint markings from the factory. The car's not running right now. Engine will need rebuilt. This car is awesome. Somebody could rebuild the the engine. Leave it the way it is. I wouldn't paint it at all. It's super solid underneath. Got tons of pictures. Those old school Firestone Super Sport tires. Really cool to find one this original. It's basically untouched, probably tires, radiator cap. Yeah, this would be the perfect candidate. Go through the brakes, rebuild the original engine, put it all back together. Have probably one of the best survivors in the country. This car is for sale. 304-731-6497. If you're interested, call the number. It's probably not going to last very long. Thanks for watching.